Hi together. Welcome back to our Twitch stream. Today with Moritz and his racing car, and with me as the moderator. So, Moritz, what are you going to show us today?
Yes, today we are going to look at the Office Racer one time. Last time, sadly, some things I broke just before the stream, so was unfortunate for me and unfortunate for you because you couldn't really see anything in the stream. I fixed it, and I hope I think you can also show the racer in the background, maybe. Full screen, yes.
That one?
Okay, yeah. Oh, the zoom doesn't really work, but yeah. So yeah, so it's finally working again. We will see if we can fix some network issues today. And yeah, maybe it might just be a short episode today, but at least it works again. And for next time, I will definitely try to get the camera working.
Sounds good.
All right, then let's get into the thick of it. Let's see. So
First things first, can you increase the font size?
Oh yes, I can.
Yeah, and then I will get rid of me.
Okay. So let's start the racer first. And let's hope it will start again. Because last time I started it, just wouldn't start.
Ah, okay.
So looks like it could be done.
At least I see some lights.
Ah, there you go. Ooh, totally messed that up. Okay, let's see if I can. Where's your? Can you show yourself again so I can?
Ah, sure. Here I am.
Let's do this. Okay, so I can find a better way. What?
Window manager.
Whoa. Okay, I don't see the whole screen. That's interesting.
Yeah, let's go back to the other view.
Okay, yeah.
Let's do that.
So let's do this. Is it big enough? I think so.
I can read it.
So I guess I am connected to the server, and I already set everything up, so it's automatically connected to the Wi-Fi here in the office. It will automatically start the racer itself.
Okay.
Let's see if we can start the server on this side. Communication Python server file. Oh wait. To start this one first, and I have to start the server. And for some reason it's not working. Okay.
What exactly did you expect now?
Normally the I guess the service isn't really working.
So the server side on your
the racer. So the racer is supposed to boot up, and when it's done, it's supposed to start the service, which will in turn start the racer program, the racer pipe script. And when the server is available, the racer should then connect to the server. And yeah, thing is, I don't see anything else here. I just see start with 0 active WebSocket. So there's no connection to any.
Can you start it manually? I think we before the stream we changed some path, and maybe you need to start it from a different directory now, from the Razer subdirectory or so.
Okay, so let's do this.
Ah.
You are connected to the server. So the script actually works.
Yeah.
So that's not the problem.
Does it work if the server is not running when you boot up the Razer?
It's supposed to wait until the server is there to connect to, and then when it's done and when it's there, then it should. Maybe not. Yeah, you're right. That might be the issue.
Okay. Yeah, that would be a first thing to
So,
fix.
yeah, let's jump into it. So even though I really like PyCharm for this, I actually love this remote stuff.
You can also do that with PyCharm, remote development.
I guess you can only do it when you pay for PyCharm, not the community edition.
Oh, that could be. I don't know the feeling.
Nice.
I do this for
Thanks.
a living, so
Thanks, yeah.
We should spend the money for your license. You're an iOS developer, so that's why you don't have an IntelliJ license. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
That's a problem. Okay.
In the backend world, without a great UI, IE, that's not a life
Yeah.
worth living.
For some reason, can't connect to it.
Can you only have one SSH connection? I hope not.
I thought I was connected before. Okay, let's do something else. Oh, let's go. Let's see. Oh God, what was this? Let's see if I can just. Maybe it's because I'm blocking actually the SSH connection.
But on
Let's
the
see
left-
if the service, if I can run the service.
Okay.
Let's see, what is the thing? Sudo system.
Yeah.
Start office racer.
Huh? Something happened?
Yeah. So it is running. Guess it wasn't before.
Yeah. Maybe we
Yeah, it's not running. So if let's see if I can do a reboot.
Yeah, and see what happens then if then the status is.
Yeah.
Or if
And
it
I will
connects.
just start this again.
What did that? Shut down?
No.
It crashed?
If you just disconnect it, if you stop the program without any warning, then it won't send the closing frame to the server, which in turn, of course, gives me all this crap. Hey, I lost connection to the server because I didn't get a connection
Closed
frame. So we might have to fix this.
Yeah.
I don't know how good you are at WebSockets.
Well, a try catch should do it. I mean, it's something that can happen, and
Right.
if the API is that bad and just throws a ton of errors at you, then maybe you try catch and checking what the error is the right way to do it.
Yeah. So the server's running for some reason, and I'm pretty sure the Raspberry Pi is already done. Yes, it is done. So for some reason, it won't start the service.
Can you connect and check the status of the service?
Yeah.
Maybe we find something there.
Not loaded.
Inactive dead.
So it's not.
Is there something to the right? Something interesting to be read?
No.
Disabled.
It's supposed to start somewhere, but I guess it's not. So
maybe it's just not in the auto booting, or I don't remember how you configure that to really auto start.
Ooh. Maybe I have to change something here. I can't execute it. So
Ah.
okay.
The others also have a D in front.
What's the D for?
I have no idea.
Read, write, execute. What's the D for?
Yeah. I'm a Windows guy.
This is probably the worst joke you ever did. What? All your programs you do, they never run on Windows.
Mine run on Windows.
Sure they do. Okay. Maybe there's someone in the
It's a
chat.
directory.
It is a directory.
Could it be
okay,
that?
So let's see.
A bit down, there's
yeah,
So if you go a bit down, there's this SSH
So yeah,
service.
here there's a service. Okay,
Yeah.
so I just went. So here there's a service.
Yeah, okay.
And it's an
That's a symlink.
it's a link. So they're all supposed to be somewhere else, but not in here. But that's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. So
Okay.
can you run that script or?
I can. And there we have a racer. Nice.
Awesome. So reboot again.
Okay.
Maybe we have to make an entry in the README for that.
Yeah, I thought so. There are a few ways to achieve this. I thought if let's see. So the what was it? So it was after network.target, which I thought would be after network was connected, the service should start. But maybe I have done something else, or maybe I have to put down something else, because there's no really good tutorial I found to do this. Okay, so okay. For some reason, it's still not starting. Oh, stupid. Yeah, now it's starting. I can hear it.
Okay, so you reboot it now again?
Yeah, because I was looking for the state, but I actually typed in start.
Yeah. I just see in the chat that Half-So-Wild got a sit-up straight, so maybe we need to work on our posture.
Well, I pretty much reached the ceiling here, buddy. Okay.
Did you get a connection on the right side?
Nope, I didn't. But now we'll see. Let's see. Status. Not loaded. So it's for some reason it's not really.
But it's inactive dead. Did it try to load it and it crashed or so?
I don't know. Okay, so what we actually want to do is we want to. Can't use this one. Okay. That's it.
Did you find it?
What? What is happening? Okay, maximize. Interesting. Okay.
What is going on?
I double tapped the status bar on top, and it increased size and then it decreased it again. Okay, so never mind. Let's see. So this is a systemd service start after. Oops.
I think enable. Just also
Ah.
Googled it.
Is that seriously a problem? So I have to enable it?
Maybe.
This enable application resource. Do I have to? Oh, wait. Do I have to put down this? Create symlink.
Okay. Can you
Dun 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 dun. Maybe.
can you increase the left side? Not the font like that we see more of it. Because what's standing to the right when you do status?
So let's see. Status.
Yeah,
Inactive.
enabled. So
Enabled. Okay. So I guess I can just write my service anywhere, and then if I enable it, then it will automatically create the. The server itself. Okay, never mind. So we will try to reboot it. Still nothing here, and hopefully, when it starts, something is. I have to clean up here. There's some tape on the floor sticking to my boots.
You're getting sabotaged here.
Yeah. Good thing I don't have to walk away.
Yeah. Oh, yay! Just do it right.
So
awesome.
one thing I learned while redoing the whole Raspberry Pi thing, I definitely have to write a lot more documentation in our GitHub repository.
Yeah.
And I guess I have to redo it because right now it's all in German. So I want to, yeah. So most of you who are listening right now and are not speaking German can't really follow the instructions. So I will, I will have a look at it and translate it so you can as well look into it.
Maybe make some notes now about enabling the service before we forget again.
So let's see. Gonna split it here and this, and then I will call. I don't know if you have seen this. What? Communication. What is happening? No. Okay. Client controller. Okay. Some reason blank there. Client controller Pi.
Not trusted.
Also, now I have another problem because this. Ooh, but still, it's working.
Nice. I need to switch the
So
camera.
yeah, maybe. Let's see. So I will do this. So there's nothing in the way.
Maybe pull the camera a bit up.
Maybe, yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, that's the previous state. So this is already working.
So we are back to where we were a month ago.
Yeah, and it looks like if you can, let's see if I can. That's something stupid. So as you see here, there's also a ping being sent to try to keep the connection alive.
Okay.
And so far,
boom. So far, boom.
I just love software development. So this did not work as I expected it.
So this was not the unexpected close, or was this what you wanted to show me?
Well, this wasn't something I wanted to show you. Let's see. I think we have to clean up the server so all this stuff is not printed, so that we can see if someone is actually going through, connecting and disconnecting.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with that so that we can clean up the server a little bit. Let's see if I can try to connect. Huh. For some reason I can't connect to it anymore. Okay. Let's see. So we are going to PyCharm and the servers on this side, so we don't really need anything else, I hope.
Can you increase the font size? Yeah, I think it's already open.
This one?
Yeah. At least for the editor, this should work. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Better.
Okay. So we have a few run loops here. Let's see. So we're waiting for the registration. So if some controller or racer is going to be connected, it will pass this point. Whoops. And then go to the distribute part.
Mm-hmm.
And if there's any error here, it's supposed to just pass it, not print it. And finally, it should then unregister the WebSocket.
But it's a key error. It's not any error.
It's a key error. Yeah. The problem is you have to name your error. I can't just, so I would like to have this. Of course, this is not working.
Underscore?
Underscore. Are you sure? Seriously? No. 2 of them? No.
No.
3 of them? No. Doesn't. It's not getting better. So I think the key error was one part we had. Oh, let's just look at the logs here.
Can you not write?
Connection closed error, so we can also do this one.
Can you not just omit it? Just not write key error? If you just leave it out, just accept. And yeah, okay, what does the warning say?
Too broad exception clause.
And
Yeah, but I can look into this. Let's see. Do I have to take the whole thing? Exceptions, can I find reference? Is this going to work?
you could write exception. That should maybe catch all. As a disclaimer, I'm only just Googling.
Too broad exception clause.
Ah, come on. It's just a warning. No.
You live in the Java world, right? You just do a try catch and then.
I live actually in the Kotlin world. There I don't have to try catch it.
Okay, well we can try it this way. Let's see. I'm pretty sure if I kill the server.
So it's a connection closed error now that you catched, right?
Yeah, and there's one race already connected.
Mm-hmm.
And of course now it's working.
With working, what exactly do you mean? I mean, of course, I heard it drive and so on, but what was the difference to before? Before it crashed, but after a while
Yeah.
only.
So I know there might be a problem with my listening to the keys. That might be an issue.
Okay.
Let's see if I quit the controller now. Huh, nice. Okay, so there's no error anymore in here, which is
Yep.
nice.
Maybe you could even write a log message like controller disconnected or so.
You mean disconnect controller?
Ah, okay.
Huh?
Never mind.
So I do have. Let's see. What is this?
You could actually now at the moment you have written exception. Maybe you could actually do it with the connection closed error.
That's what I was thinking about, but the problem is I don't know how. So I try to just do this one.
Yeah. I guess you need to import it. Yes. The lower one, I would think.
Okay. I thought I could just put down the whole thing and then it should work, but I guess this is okay. So, but in this case, I might want to print the error actually because I have no idea what it is.
Yeah. Then you need to also add a variable, I think. Oh, how was it?
Not done this for a long time.
Yeah. S.
S?
Yes. Exception S E.
Like
Python.
this?
No, S A S.
Ah, okay. Okay. The good thing is the erasers is always connecting again, so that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this part, of course, is messed up. So the main problem is that I'm pretty sure the mechanism I use to capture the keys is probably not as robust as I would like to have it.
Okay.
And that's why I try to implement the whole WebSocket stuff, the connection to the Racer actually in iOS to have an app which will do this. But when I finally got to the point where it should work, the Racer stopped working.
That would be a nice project. Maybe we have to talk with Felix. He's currently looking into Compose or Kotlin multi-platform with the rendering done on iOS. So maybe that would be fun to have a real cross-platform app.
Sure. So for some reason,
it works.
I think you can, yeah, it works. I don't know exactly what I have to do to make it break, but for some reason, sometimes it just stops working. Okay, so now it's not. I can type something, but
okay.
So now it disconnected. The thing is, okay, disconnect controller. So now the controller got disconnected.
Yeah.
This one is still sending pings for whatever reason. It should actually, but I haven't done anything, so I don't know how to keep the connection alive. For some reason, now they're done.
Yeah. That is.
Yeah. So for some reason there is something wrong with the client controller, but I have no idea what. Okay, let's first get rid of all the. Where do I print? open message. WebSocket could not print message right there. Don't want this one. And let's see. So it's supposed to. What was the logic here? So oh yeah. So I got a time. I'm setting a time, and I see if the time. And this. I don't know if I have to tell the server to answer with a Pong.
Oh.
Could that be? I don't know how.
But what I find strange is that your client took a long while to realize that his connection was closed.
Yeah.
So the client did not close the connection, I would say. Because then he would have known immediately.
Yeah.
If the client WebSocket closed the connection, then he would have known. Instead, it looks like, to me at least, that the server or the connection in between was somehow killed. Or the server killed the connection, or something in between happened. But then there would be the question, why did the server realize it's so much quicker than the client?
Yeah.
Do you close it somewhere in the server?
So connection.
Yeah.
What's supposed to close on? Where's it finally?
Only in that finally.
Unregister. And no, I actually don't. I remove it, but I don't close it. So as long as I still have the WebSocket.
I mean, what we could do, put a breakpoint in here, start the server, and see whoever is calling this function.
Yeah.
Better start it with the IDEs,
Yeah.
otherwise
I will
finishing
close
the old
this.
one, yeah.
This one's not running. I want to run the server as debug. Okay. I don't know, like, I have no idea how long I have to wait, but at some point it doesn't react anymore and it's killing it.
Is it also disconnecting if you do really nothing?
Thought it would. Okay, it's disconnected.
Okay.
Something should happen here. Okay.
Who's calling that? WebSocket handler. Okay, it comes from here.
So it comes from here, yeah.
What is the key error thing? Why do we catch that? If you go a bit
What
up,
do you mean?
if you go scroll a bit up, you have the accept key error.
Yeah.
What is this? Why could we have a key error? This looks like we get an error from accessing a dictionary at the wrong place. Maybe remove that.
Well, maybe we have to do the connection closed as well.
No, or maybe just write a log message, so we know that this happened. But a key error, at least from guessing, I would expect it to be when you get the wrong key from a dictionary or so, maybe. Yeah, let's try again.
So the problem is I should do something with the WebSocket and tell it to, like, when everything is cleaned up, I'm supposed to say, okay, WebSocket.close or something.
I don't think so, because I think we are closing it preemptively or too early, because maybe that key error was triggered.
Ah, okay.
And when it triggers, then you run into your finally and you shut down the connection.
Okay. Close this. I actually don't need this, so I can just concentrate on this one. Okay. But you can probably also show the eraser itself in the
Yeah.
corner, maybe.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at least everyone will see.
People have something to
Yeah.
see.
So you're missing,
Ah.
but you're missing because this is right there, right? So
Yeah.
if you now you probably could.
We need to work on our setup. Something is misconfigured here.
No, the left webcam is disabled.
Ah, that is what you mean. Yeah.
There you go. Oh, wrong
Hello.
side. Okay, so now it's disconnected.
Okay.
I can type it.
Yeah.
So it should be what's console keeping alive, ping timed out, no close frame received. Maybe I should have put it in a time in it, right?
Did you send this keep alive ping?
No, I don't know. I don't think the server's sending any keeping alive things because I thought the server is always supposed to be open, but the WebSockets that are connecting would then, as long as there's some kind of communication in between the client and the server, I thought the connection was supposed to stay open.
Yeah. I could imagine that if you don't send a keep alive, then the server did send a keep alive and it did not come back. So there's the question if we need to add a handler to the client to pong back to the server. Maybe that's the issue.
So, okay, so the client race actually should have dun, 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 dun. Okay, handle commands, don't care about this. So I do have the last ping stuff and I will send a ping again. I don't know if is there a pong? No. Is there a pong? Oh, what happened? Server, client controller, dummy eraser.
Okay. So maybe, so it seems the WebSocket protocol has a ping and a pong.
Okay.
So maybe in the client we need to send pongs.
WebSocket.
I would have hoped that the framework does this for you and you don't have to bother.
Send pong. I don't know if this. No, wait. What was it? Originally it was just ping. Okay. So if I just do pong, maybe. And this would be the same for the client controller, right? So I would want to have this one. Maybe. Okay, let's stop the server. Let's run the server again. Let's first do maybe change this one line. What? Okay. I want to stop it. Oh, nice. Okay, so now it's not running. Okay.
But did the Razer disconnect or did the
The racer disconnected.
ah
I just stopped the service. Because
yeah, but our issue wasn't the Razer disconnecting, right? Or was it?
no. But let's see if I can just do where let's see if I can just do this.
Okay.
Save it, close it. What? Why? Okay. System control, start Office Racer, and let's change this. Okay, so now if I do this, so you said 20 seconds, right?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa. Communication Racer. Why isn't okay? And now client controller. Okay. So let's see, 20 seconds. Still working.
Long 20 seconds.
So that should have been more than 20 seconds. Is that actually the magic? Oops. No.
No?
Done. Now we have a disconnect right here.
But which one was it? Is it the controller or the Razer that
That's
disconnects?
the controller.
The controller that disconnects.
Yeah.
Can you show me the client for the controller, the how you open the connection?
Sure.
Okay, it's the same.
Same thing.
Yeah. I would hope that this just happens under the hood and you don't have to care.
That's what I thought. And I thought like a WebSocket was supposed to stay open as long as I send anything. If I
Yeah.
don't send anything, then I need to keep a live signal. That's what I thought. But I guess something might be a little bit more difficult.
So one thing that we can do is disable the ping pong stuff at all completely.
Okay.
Not sure if that's the way to go.
Probably not.
Yeah, we probably
Let's
should
see,
figure
so-
out why.
Okay. Python WebSocket keep alive. Server-side shooting. So they don't have anything. Oh wait, that's the question. So WebSocket connection close. Terminate break name century. Wait. Most of the times I don't see anything ping pong stuff would love to have an example where you can say, okay, I have to send this and you have to answer me, but
Yeah, it looks really strange.
connection exception timings are configurable with a pin internal ping timer arguments of connect and serve. Short errors will detect connection drops faster, but they will increase network traffic and there will be more sense. Okay, so I guess this is, it sounds like it's a default value right here, right?
Yeah.
So let's see. So I have a connect right here. What else do I get from connect? Oof. Yeah, great. I thought there was supposed to be good documentation here. No. Seriously?
Maybe click control click on connect or command. I don't know on
I
Mac.
thought it was. So if I do this, nice, but no.
You're still the debugger.
Ah,
Yeah, that's he is trying to give you debug stuff.
okay. Let's do this. Nope, nope. Show context section. No. So I can do command, and then I get into this, which does not help me at all.
There was connect. Maybe you can click on that. There.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
this
a
is
string.
some like an index TS or
So serve client protocol. Right, process origin, no. What about the client part? Oh, wait. So the server part might have something like serve. Of course. Gotta be kidding me. Dev serve. One match. Async dev serve forever. Start serving. Yeah, no arguments.
Are you listening for communication from the server on the client?
Well, one is sending and one is receiving. So the controller is always sending, but the racer is only receiving.
Yeah, maybe we need to listen for the ping and then respond to the ping with the pong.
Okay, so so I have the client controller. You suggest that we are, I don't know how am I supposed to do this?
To be honest, me neither. And in the interest of time,
So
I'm not sure if we will find out this today.
Yeah.
I think we have to check that again.
Yeah. Then I think we can come back. Yeah. So sorry guys. I guess we have to find out. I have to find out a way to keep the connection live. It looks like we have a time frame which will be kicking in after 20 to 30 seconds, and then the connection is just broken. So yeah, I guess I have to find out a way to do this. I guess my knowledge wasn't as advanced as I thought on WebSockets. At least Andreas, you could help a lot.
Yep, I hope to.
And yeah, I will see what I can do for next time.
Yeah.
I guess that's it for today.
I'm also just posting our link.
Oh yes, all the links. So as for the GitHub stuff, I will update it as soon as possible. To also include an English description and to go further and put in all the stuff we already did, including the setup with the service. Don't forget to enable it. And yeah, I think that's for this week. Next week, same time slot. We will of course have.
Backend.
I think it's you, right?
Yeah, it's probably
It's you.
just switched,
Yeah.
so you can do your revenge. For all
Yeah,
the
it
stupid
looks
questions.
like we're switching now. Hopefully not every time, because I think last week it was the same combination, right?
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, it's so long ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next week, Quacos again. I don't know yet what I will show, but we will find something.
Yes.
And
Maybe it would be interesting since we already talked a little bit earlier about CI stuff.
Mhm.
Maybe there's some more things that might be interesting for a few people, because I think the CI stuff is heavily underrated in most of the projects.
Yeah.
At least I know a few. And I'm always more interested in automating stuff and making sure that nobody can mess it up. So maybe we will have something in that direction. I don't know if GitHub Actions or if you actually need a server for most of it, but yeah, might be interesting. Topic.
Let's see. So thanks for joining in.
Yeah,
Half
thank
the
you.
while, don't be sad. It just means you will get more episodes of the Office Racer. So actually, it's a good thing.
Yeah.
And see you next time.
Ciao.
Bye bye, guys.